Hello, I'm Sarah and I'm covered in flour because I've just been making pizza bases. However, dinner tonight is a joint effort. I'm doing the pizzas, Samantha's doing pudding. She is making a fudge pudding recipe that she's actually made a couple of times before and it is super duper yummy. This came from the Edmonds Kids Cookbook. So, I'll help with narrating, but I'm mostly going to be making pizzas in the background and I will leave you in her capable hands. Capable. We want to sift in 1 cup of plain flour.
1 teaspoon of baking powder. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 3/4 cup of sugar. Then mix.
Half a cup of milk and 50 grams of butter. And we're just going to melt them in the microwave. Or you could use the stove top, but I've taken over that half of the bench, so she's going to use the microwave.
Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then add it to the dry ingredients.
Alright, we're just using baking paper because this is a thing where the bottom pops out and sometimes it leaks. Chuck that into a baking tin.
We're making the topping now and we need half a cup of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And then sprinkle over the cake thingy.
Pour 1 cup of hot instant coffee over here. And then we bake for between 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing. I just put some Greek yogurt on, cream, ice cream, whatever. That would all be awesome. So, taste test time. What do we think? Okay, bit of the saucy stuff, bit of the cake. Oh.
It's good.
That stuff
That is good.
my nanny used to make.
That's
really
A
good.
little bit without the yogurt.
The yogurt's really good, it contrasts it perfectly.
Oh yeah.
It does.
I love it. Yum, yum,
That is
yum,
good. Best served warm with a bit of yummy stuff blobbed on it. There we go. Leave us a comment, hit the like button, hit subscribe, make some chocolate fudge pudding. It is so good. Bye.